average rate for a certified Cat6 drop typically ranges from $150 to $250 per drop. However, several factors can influence the final cost. Firstly, location plays a significant role. Rates tend to be higher in urban areas due to increased overhead and demand, while rural areas may offer lower prices. Secondly, labor costs are a major consideration. These costs fluctuate based on the region and the experience level of the technician performing the installation. More experienced technicians or those in areas with a higher cost of living will generally command higher rates. Thirdly, the cost of materials directly impacts the overall price. This includes the Cat6 cable itself, patch panels, connectors, and any other necessary components. Fluctuations in the market price of these materials can affect the final cost per drop. Fourthly, the complexity of the installation can add to the expense. Simple, straightforward installations will be less expensive than those that require additional work, such as running cables through difficult spaces, installing cable management systems, or implementing hidden cabling solutions. A rate of $200 per drop appears to be a reasonable and within the typical industry range. To get a more precise estimate for a particular project, obtaining quotes from multiple contractors is always recommended. This allows for a comparison of pricing and ensures that the best value for the specific needs is achieved. When evaluating quotes, it's important to consider the scope of work included. Some contractors may offer a lower price but exclude certain aspects such as cable management or testing, which could result in additional costs later on. Conversely, some contractors may include these services in their initial quote, providing a more comprehensive and transparent price. It's also beneficial to inquire about the contractor's experience and qualifications. A reputable contractor will have the necessary expertise and equipment to ensure a high-quality installation that meets industry standards. Checking references and reviewing online reviews can provide valuable insights into the contractor's reputation and past performance. Furthermore, it's essential to verify that the contractor is properly licensed and insured. This protects against potential liabilities in case of accidents or damages during the installation process. Before making a final decision, it's advisable to obtain a written contract that clearly outlines the scope of work, pricing, payment terms, and any other relevant details. This contract should be reviewed carefully to ensure that all expectations are aligned and that there are no hidden costs or surprises. In addition to the factors mentioned above, other considerations can influence the cost of a Cat6 network drop. These include the number of drops being installed, the length of the cable runs, and the type of environment in which the installation is taking place. For example, a large-scale installation with numerous drops may qualify for a volume discount, while longer cable runs may require additional materials and labor. Similarly, installations in harsh environments, such as those with extreme temperatures or humidity, may necessitate the use of specialized cables and connectors, which can increase the cost. It's also worth considering the potential for future expansion when designing the network. Installing additional drops or using higher quality cables can provide greater flexibility and scalability in the long run, potentially saving money in the long term. When planning a Cat6 network installation, it's crucial to consult with a qualified network technician or contractor to assess the specific requirements and develop a customized solution. This consultation should involve a thorough site survey to identify any potential challenges and to determine the optimal placement of network drops. The technician or contractor can also provide guidance on selecting the appropriate materials and equipment, as well as ensuring that the installation meets all applicable codes and standards. In summary, the cost of a Cat6 network drop is influenced by a variety of factors, including location, labor, materials, complexity, the scope of work, and the potential for future expansion. Obtaining multiple quotes, verifying credentials, and carefully reviewing contracts are essential steps in ensuring a fair price and a high-quality installation. Remember that investing in a well-designed and properly installed network infrastructure is a crucial investment that can provide numerous benefits, including improved performance, reliability, and scalability.